Hey, I'm Paul from No Nonsense Cocktails, and today we're going to make the Aperol spritz. The Aperol spritz was invented in Ireland by an Irishman. The ingredients you're going to need is Prosecco, which we will start with. Now, I used to have trouble opening Prosecco because of the cork. I hit my grandmother in the head with the cork, Lord rest her, and I've had a fear of it ever since. So I'm just going to demonstrate how to actually open the Prosecco here without it popping or going anywhere. So you're going to leave this cage on it and turn this 6 times. Okay, so place your thumb on top of the cage, turn that bottle at a 45-degree angle, and you will twist the bottle rather than the cork, and you should just hear a small hiss. Oh, popped loud, never mind. Well, it's still intact and it's in my hand, but this one was shaking a little bit. So the creation of the Aperol spritz actually began at my grandmother's funeral, where my cousin Kevin came to me and he says, as I was ordering a drink, "I've no money left, Paul, can we go splits?" The words which came out of his mouth were, "Ah, Paul, splits." What the barman heard was, "Aperol spritz." The barman just said, "Okay," and so made the Aperol spritz. So how it's made is, you're going to put around 90 mils of Prosecco. I don't like to pour Prosecco into a shot glass or a measure, so I'm just going to freehand pour this. And I will add an orange to the glass. So I don't put ice in the glass first, because if you pour Prosecco on top of ice, it becomes really fizzy and it's near impossible to deal with. So I will add ice after. You can see it fizzing up there. And then I will add 1 shot of Aperol. And this drink is topped with soda water. Now, just to be clear, I didn't kill my grandmother with the cork. She's not a bloody owl from Dumb and Dumber.
We already got to Texas.
She died of cancer in 2003, and not a day goes by that we all don't miss her. So, a glass to my grandmother Lily. May she rest in peace. This is the Aperol spritz.